Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to loosen a tie. This will be an easy tutorial with step-by-step instructions. Let's get right into this instructional video. What I have here is a tie and I'm going to quickly tie it up. No pun intended. So I'm just going to do a quick half Windsor. You can do whatever kind of knot you want. It's going to be a very similar way to loosen it. So I'm just going to quickly do a half Windsor knot over here. Just give me a moment, just like that. And boom, I've done actually a tutorial on that knot and many other tie knots, so go look it up. And they're honestly, I'm going to tell you the truth, there are probably better tutorials than my own tutorials. There are some really good tie knots tying videos that you can find. But go look it up, really quick and easy to do, half Windsor knot, okay? Now, here's the key here. When you have your tie tied up, okay, you have the big side that everyone sees, and you're going to move that to the back, and then there's going to be this little guy over here. This is the side that people don't see, okay? And it goes and it usually gets hidden behind the tie. So I'm going to do this up nice and tightly like that. You know, it's like this, and when I move the big side behind me, I see the small side. This small side, believe it or not, is connected to one of the pieces on the neck over here, around the neck. So what I want to do is I want to first find out which side of my neck portions this is connected to. So to do that, I'm going to hold, instead of holding this little piece, I'm going to hold the knot itself. So I'm holding the knot and I'm going to try and pull on either side and see which one shortens this. So I'm going to pull on this side. Look, when I pull on this side, nothing is happening. So it's not connected to that side. It is instead connected to this side. I'm going to pull on this side like this. Look, check this out. And it's shortening this. You can see, shortening that. And that is how to loosen a tie. Literally, that's it. All you gotta do is find the portion that it's connected to and pull it so that this gets shorter. Hold the knot with one hand, with a couple fingers on one hand, and then pull this with a couple fingers on the other hand, just like that, right? You don't wanna go too much, but you wanna go enough where you can just take the tie off. That's it. That is how to loosen a tie. An easy tutorial with step-by-step instructions. Let's get into that wedding mode. You know, you're at a wedding, right? By the time it gets to like the end of the night, you're like this. You're like, whoa, let's go, baby, let's go. Anyways, all jokes aside, how to loosen a tie, easy tutorial. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.